Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a realistic watch. These are the tools that I'm going to use for this drawing. Down Super Soft pencil, Sakura white gel pen, Apsara 6B pencil, Apsara mechano eraser, kneaded eraser, ruler, sharpener. List of colors that I am going to use for this drawing: yellow, black, grey, light brown, white, dark brown. Today I tried to draw a real watch which I have one. For this drawing I already draw the outline using grid method. Now I just darkening the outline so that you can get a clear idea of how to draw the outline for watch. This is a normal white chart paper. For this outline I am using Apsara 6B pencil, mechano eraser, kneaded eraser and ruler. You can use the HP pencil or mechanical pencil to draw the outlines. All the materials that I am using for my drawings with the lowest price range in my orange drawing tutorial. And also I explained all the alternative material for drawings in my rose drawing tutorial. You can check both the videos links given in my description. Outline for the watch. Now I am lightening the outline. The outlines are ready to color. For the hands in the watch, for light shade I am using yellow. For the darker shade I am using light brown. This is dark brown. Now coloring the hands are over. For the letters I am using black color. Inside the date box I am using grey color. For the stones in the watch, first I am using yellow color. Now I am using grey color here and there. Now I am using a white gel pen to give some highlights on the stone. I am using light brown for this design line. For dial portion I am using grey color. I am using white pencil to blend the grey color. White gel pen for number lines. Around the dial, first I am using yellow. This is light brown color. dark brown. For the outer line, I am using grey color. For coloring the case, I am using grey color. For some area, I am giving the color very dark, and for some area very light to give shadows look. For the lug ends, I am using yellow color. I am using grey on the yellow color for some darker shade. Black color for gaps in the chain. For the golden chain, I am using yellow color. This is grey color for some shades on the edges of the chain and in the middle. Using black color to color the top portion of the chain. White gel pen for some highlight. For the silver color chain, I am using grey color. Left side chain coloring is completed. Now use the same method for right side. For the crown, first I am using grey. For the remaining portion, I am using yellow color. White gel pen for some highlight. I am using black color to color the lock. This is grey color. For the back side of the chain, for light shade I am using grey color. For darker shade I am using black. For the lock, now I am giving black. Now I am using white gel pen. Using grey color for giving shadows for watch. Okay, this is the coloring of the realistic watch. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.